Good evening. I'm Kofi Mensah, and this is chale.news. Tonight, 15 people dead on a Volta Region highway, and questions about whether those deaths were avoidable. A newborn has vanished from a hospital in the northern region. Mahama's poll numbers are sliding, and the Black Stars World Cup money, 76 million cedis, no breakdown in sight. Let's get into it. We start on the Asikuma-Peki Highway, where a truck and passenger bus collided head-on at Pekitsami today. 15 people are dead, 25 more are injured. The NRSA's Volta Regional Director is urging drivers to slow down, stop overtaking on blind curves and rest on long-distance trips. Good advice, but we keep saying it, and the crashes keep coming. A newborn has gone missing from Salaga Municipal Hospital. A nurse allegedly joked about the mother gifting her the baby, and since delivery, the family hasn't been able to see the child. Assembly member Thomas Gayando confirmed it on NADMO FM. Police have been informed. There is no official hospital statement, none. That silence is its own scandal. Ghana trains up to 35,000 health workers a year and can't employ even a fraction of them. So the health minister's solution? Cut admissions. Kwabena Minta Akando made that disclosure today in Ho. The frustration is real, but telling thousands of young Ghanaians not to pursue nursing because the system won't hire them is a policy failure dressed up as a fix. Full breakdown on chale.news. New IEA poll has Mahama's approval already dipping, less than 6 months in. The cedi is up, fuel prices are down 12%, and the macro numbers look decent. But ordinary Ghanaians aren't feeling it yet. And that gap between the statistics and lived experience, that's exactly what's showing up in the poll. On the Sedina Tamakloe-Attionu saga, NPP minority MPs say the government's silence on whether she's actually behind bars has gone on long enough. They plan to use a parliamentary committee next week to verify. Dr. Arthur Kennedy has also dismissed any argument that time spent abroad counts toward her sentence. The questions are piling up. The KNUST floods weren't just an act of nature. NADMO says illegal encroachment on wetlands behind campus blocked the Wiwi River's drainage and made the disaster significantly worse. Emergency dredging has begun. Man-made problem, man-made delay. Now, a man-made emergency response. Some relief at the pump tonight. The MPA has cut petrol's benchmark price floor by 12%. That's a drop of 1.81 Ghanaian cedis, bringing it to 13.39 Ghanaian cedis per litre. Diesel and LPG are also trimmed. This comes days after the cedi surged nearly 4% against the dollar. It's real movement. Whether it reaches your wallet is the next question. The Bank of Ghana has drawn a hard line on money transfer operators. Register by July 31st or you're banned. Unregistered IMTOs will also have their partnerships with local banks voided. If you receive remittances from abroad, now is the time to confirm your provider is compliant. Thomas Partey is in the United States. He's been cleared to enter because US Customs distinguishes between a charge and a conviction. Canada does not, which is why he missed Ghana's World Cup opener on June 17th. One legal distinction now determines exactly where and when Partey plays for the Black Stars this tournament. 76.4 million Ghanaian cedis has been released for the Black Stars World Cup campaign. No breakdown. The GFA hasn't published one. Neither has the Sports Ministry. Commentators say this is the same opacity we've seen since 2006. Same tournament, same question, same silence. Full analysis at chale.news. Ghana's High Court has overturned a GTEC directive that banned 23 academics from using their Costa Rican doctoral degrees. Justice Kwame Gyamfi-Osei ruled that GTEC violated the Constitution. Specifically, it acted without giving degree holders a fair hearing. A landmark ruling that puts a serious check on GTEC's power to retroactively strip foreign qualifications. 2 years ago, Nana Agye Oduro, a Ghanaian student, died in Latvia after allegedly falling from his apartment. His mother stood at his graveside this week and publicly cursed the Latvian government, police, and an insurance company. 2 years, no justice, no answers. The question of how Ghana protects its citizens when things go wrong abroad remains very much unanswered. In Kintampo district, armed men attacked Forestry Commission officers and destroyed a state timber checkpoint. Environmental NGOA Rocha Ghana is calling it open war on Ghana's forests. No arrests confirmed. This illegal logging crisis is escalating, and the state's response is not keeping pace. Ghana grows 200,000 metric tons of cashew every year and ships most of it out raw, handing the processing, the jobs, and the profit to other countries. Processors say fixing that could unlock over $660 million a year. We grow it. Someone else gets rich from it. That's the story. And to end on something good, Yaya Touré is a head coach. The legend has taken charge of Slovan Bratislava, 16-time Slovakian champions, ahead of Champions League qualifying. First senior managerial role at 43. Chale, we're watching. That's your evening digest for June 13th. I'm Kofi Mensah. Head to chale.news for the full reporting on every story we covered tonight. Stay informed, stay sharp.